Hey everybody, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I have a box from StationeryPal. They approached me and wanted to partner with me, and basically the premise of this is that I get to choose a certain amount of products from their website in exchange for me doing a review and a YouTube video for that. And I also have links to all of the products in the description below, along with a code Karina for 12% off if you're interested in purchasing from them. So I'm not actually getting paid for the review per se, but I have been gifted all of these products and I will be giving you my honest opinion about all of them. So first off, you get everything in this really cute box. I mean, it's shipped in a regular box like this, but then everything is in here. So I already love the packaging. So let's open this up. And you've got the bubble wrap in here. I'm going to try very hard not to rip the sticker, but if you have seen any of my previous unboxings, you know I'm not very good at that. Yeah, I'm just going to leave it. All right, so there's a whole bunch of stuff in here, and along with the items that I've ordered, there's also a couple of freebies. So there's this cute little teddy bear, which, I don't know, I'll probably hang from like my rear view mirror in my car. I don't know, very cute. And then there is this adorable little astronaut keychain full of confetti here. Then there is this, oh, I love this. This is like a little pin of a piece of toast, I guess. I don't know. And then another one here that says stay wild. I think that's, no, hold on. And another watermelon one. I love these little pins. I think I could definitely give them to my kids. And then this cute little toque that says love. I love that it's knitted. All right, so I'm going to put these to this side, and then I'm going to show you all of the items one by one. Along with the freebies, you also get this really cute card that says thank you for being there no matter what, and just thank you for being the best partner in the world. So I'm going to keep that to the side and probably put that in my journal as well. So the first thing that I want to show you guys that I purchased, and I want to make sure I organize this properly and that I have everything organized. Okay, the first things that I purchased were these different washi tapes. So there was one that was for, I believe it was coffee, one for flowers, and one for plants. And they look like stamps. I'm not going to unravel them just now. I'm just going to zoom in though so you can see. So you have coffee and flowers and plants, and these will just go really, really well in journaling as accents. Love that. The next thing that I ordered were these two binder clips, one in a large, that is really large, and one in a medium. And basically it really is just for holding my planner open. But also it was really mainly for decorative. But oh, look at how pretty that is. That's just absolutely pretty. And then the smaller one is for, I mean, I see this on Instagram all the time, but it's really just nice to be able to hold your planner open like so. So those are the two binder clips. The next thing that I ordered is this ceramic pencil cutter. So I'm just going to show you it quickly. And with this ceramic cutter, it looks like a pen, but on the inside, you've got a very thin blade, a very small blade. I'm going to zoom in even closer. And you can see that tiny, tiny blade, just like an X-Acto knife, but I actually broke my X-Acto knife, so this was definitely a needed purchase. So this is the ceramic cutter that looks just like a pen. The next thing I purchased was a Tombow dual brush, no, not a dual brush pen, a Fudenosuke pen, and I believe it is the hard tip. Yes, the hard tip. I love these, and I will order as many as I need to keep me stocked. I currently have my one here, but it's always good to have a backup. So add that to the list, and then let's bring these four out here. So I have never had these Zig Clear color dots before. I'm really excited to try these out. So these actually have, looks like vacuum sealed or vacuum pack around them to prevent them from leaking, hopefully. So I'm going to unwrap those, and then I'm going to do a quick swatch of them in my notebook. So the four marker colors that I have, one is, where's the color of this one? Fawn, and I have Splash, as well as Island Coral and Platinum. So I believe on one side you've got just a regular tip marker. So I'm just going to write the word Fawn. And then on the other side you've got the dot. So you can create different size dots with this. So big dot, smaller, 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 smaller. Oh, that is so cute. Love that. The next one is Splash. Ooh, that's a very pretty color. I would have gotten more, but they weren't all available when I was looking on the website. But ooh, look at that. Whoop, doop, 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 doop. I'm having way too much fun making circles that are smaller. Okay, and then this one is Island Coral. I like that kind of peachy pink there. And then the dots on the top. Whoop, whoop, whoop. It reminds me of like bingo daubers, being able to do that. But I love that you have the option of creating perfect circles. And then this one is Platinum. And I believe this one, did this have like shimmer to it? I don't remember. But I've seen so many people use these in their planners, and when I saw these on the StationeryPal website, I thought, nah, have to get them. Oh, I love those. So those are the Zig Clear Color Dots. The next thing that I got is this mono correction tape. And the reason that I wanted to get this specific correction tape was because I wanted to see if it will work with the off-white pages of the Hobonichi Weeks. I'm going to try this on the back. No, it's white, but let's try it in the cousin and see if that will work here. Look at all the pages they've used. It works slightly better with the cousin. Absolutely. That kind of off-white works really well with the Hobonichi cousin. Not so much the Weeks, because the Weeks is more of a yellow, but I wanted to buy a correction tape that was more similar to the color of the Hobonichi, and I think I found one for the Hobonichi cousin. So let's put that away. I don't know why I'm putting everything back in its packaging, but there you go. And then, oh, there's a few in here. So I wanted to get a few stamps, and there's the stamp block. I think those are all the stamps, but I also got these as well. So there was a few stamps that I did purchase. I got these two Splice stamps and the MU, and I know that these are quite popular. I haven't stamped in quite a long time actually, but one has the mountain scenes and a few foliages as well. And then this one is, what is this one called? This is the number 9. Oh, I forget the name of this one. I will leave the name in the description below. But this one's the number 11 and this one's the number 9. And I'm excited to use them. And then I bought a stamp block. This is, I believe, 7 by 7 inches. No, not inches. 7 by 7 centimeters. Yeah, 7 by 7 centimeters. And I just think those will go really, really cute in my journaling. And then I also got these alphabet lowercase letters, and these alphabet lowercase letters, they're, oh, I love the wooden box, but basically it's just the alphabet A through Z plus the colon and the, what is that? Parentheses. What is that called? Oh my goodness. But I love the wooden box that it comes in. I love how just that looks. So those are my new stamps. I'm running out of room on my desk here. Then I got, oh, I'm excited for this one. This is a washi tape dispenser. And I'm excited for this because I really need a place to keep the washi tape that I use to pack stuff for my shop. Oh, how cute. Which way does it go? Like that. And if I grab, let's see, how do I put them in now? Oh, there we go. Oh, that makes a lot of painful noise in the ear. So there's this one. Let's just grab a few and put them in. So I'm going to grab these ones, make sure I have the right side. And will all of these fit? Maybe another 2 will fit. Do we even have them facing the right way? Nope. And this one, oh yeah, that fits. And then making sure it's centered correctly on the side. Perfect. Oh, I love that. That is cute. So that is the washi tape dispenser. So the next thing I got were actually some of these storage boxes. I got 1 blue, 2 green, 1 yellow, and 1 pink. And I thought this would be really good for me to keep my stock of stickers in. So I think it's actually just really easy to put together like so, and then grabbing some of my sticker sheets, for example. So these are, and they fit perfectly so that I can keep stocks of my stickers neat and organized. Oh, I love these, and they're so easy to put together. They're pretty, and I think they'll hold up really well. I need to just put a shelf up somewhere, but yeah. So those are the shelves. Is that the exact name for them? I am terrible. I'm going to put all of the names of these on the screen, but they are going to be in the description below. And then the last thing, oh, I am really excited about this. Ooh. Okay, so this, these are the Tombow dual brush pens in the muted palette. And it looks like there's something else that comes with it as well. So, ooh. Hold on here. So along with the Tombow dual brush pens, it looks like you get, I think this is like a little catalog of Tombow products, I believe it is, or, oh, it's paper. Oh, so it's like sketching paper. Interesting. But then these are the muted palettes. So I'm gonna do a quick swatch of these. So in this package of the muted palette, you get 9 Tombow dual brush pens plus a water-based brush pen. So the first one is 837. And I'm going to do the swatch with the brush pen as well. Ooh, that's pretty. The next one is 757. And these are all colors that I do not have, but I do love the boldness of these. And then the next one, these are very fall colors actually. The next one is 947. Am I even gonna have enough room? I'm writing these letters too big. 94. Ooh, that's a gorgeous brown. Then we have 026. I like that mustard yellow. I feel like these are these are all fall colors. Next we have, I'm gonna do the green first. 098. Oh, I like that very, very much. Oh, beautiful. And then 528. I think I might have just enough room for all of these. Oh, pretty. I don't have any of these colors yet, I don't think. 679. This is really nice purple. Oh, beautiful. And then this is 969. I feel like I have this. Maybe I do, maybe I don't. Because I haven't purchased the muted palette before. Ooh. These are all very like dark colors. And then N35, I believe I already have this one actually, but you can never have too many grays or almost black. Yeah, this is a dark gray. Oh, I love that. And then you've got the water pen so that you can actually play around with these. Love that. So those are the Tombow dual brush pens muted palette. So here is everything that I got. How do I put this all on screen? Everything that I have received from StationeryPal. I will leave links to all of these down below. And thank you so much to StationeryPal for approaching me to partner with you guys. I'm just so flattered, for one, that you would think of me, and two, that like Normally the way that I purchase stationery products, I really like to get what I know I will use. And I know that sometimes you can have like this overwhelming choice of what to buy at a stationery store. For me, I knew that I would use markers, I would use a washi tape dispenser, things like that in the storage. So I went really, really practical. I didn't go for a bunch of stickers or things like that. I went for stuff that I knew that I would use. What do you guys normally purchase at a stationery store? So this is my entire haul. I will leave links for every item down in the description below, along with a 12% discount code. Use the word or use my name Karina next time you order, and I do get a bit of a commission every time you guys use my discount code as well, so thank you guys for that. If you have any questions about any of these, please let me know. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.